Hi, Bill the Flavor Guy here. Today we're going to make a sorbet. So we have a base that we make here at Nature's Flavors. You can buy this stuff and you can add a whole bunch of different flavors and experiment, but it has everything in it. If you're careful and you pay attention, you can make something that's not over flavored. And we're trying to give you the tools so you can tell whether it is over flavored or whether it's not. This is a sorbet base. It's organic, so it's made with organic cane sugar, organic dextrose, carrageenan, and locust bean gum, and of course some water and a little bit of acidity. So I'm going to put in about 2 mLs of our orange extract, and I'm going to add some color. For right now, we're going to put 5 drops of our orange color, and then we're going to stir it up. And the color we used is also organic. So this is an entirely organic sorbet. Take a half of an orange. I'm going to squeeze that into this mix. That's going to give me a little bit more acidity and that fresh juice. Now this is just optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. See how it tastes. I think I am going to add that other orange to it. Now, the good news is I'm going to add that straight to the ice cream maker. So we don't have to worry about stirring it. It's going to do it for us. If you can have a little bit of pulp in there or a little bit of juice, I recommend it. All right, now I'm just going to pour my base inside the ice cream machine. Get all that in there, and then we're going to just let her run. And in about 20 minutes, we should have a really tasty orange sorbet. Turn our machine on, and we'll see you in 20 minutes. We're back. It's been about 25 minutes now, so our sorbet is done. Our formula was 17 ounces of our sorbet base, which you can buy on the web. We did 5 drops of our organic orange color, which is annatto based. And we did 2 mLs of our orange flavor. And we'll have the NF or product numbers for you at the end of the video. And we allowed that to chill and work in our Cuisinart ice cream and sorbet machine, and here we are. Put some inside our cup. And there you go. Bon appetit. Just the right amount of flavor, just the right amount of color for an organic sorbet. A little bit of fresh squeezed orange juice in there from a sliced orange. But other than that, you can do this yourself at home. We didn't over flavor it. The flavor's just right at 2 milliliters, roughly about a half a teaspoon in 17 ounces of our sorbet base. With a little bit of practice, you can make a great tasting orange sorbet too. For more information on our flavors and flavor products, visit us at naturesflavors.com.